Welcome to 60 Second Civics, the daily podcast of the Center for Civic Education. I'm Mark Gage. Nonviolent civil disobedience has a long history in the United States. It was used by Henry David Thoreau when he refused to pay taxes to support slavery and the Mexican-American War. Martin Luther King Jr., Rosa Parks, Fred Shuttlesworth, and many others involved in the civil rights movement used civil disobedience to protest segregation and other forms of unequal treatment based on race. Critics argue that civil disobedience makes individual conscience absolute, the final judge of obedience or disobedience to the law. Defenders of civil disobedience counter that, in fact, there can be no other final judge of obedience to law than individual conscience. Each person must make his or her own decision whether to obey particular laws. After all, the defenders contend, laws are not necessarily just. Defenders therefore argue that there are higher moral laws than the laws of any state, however democratic and constitutional. These higher laws shape the moral conscience of individuals. An unjust social situation breeds disorder. Seeking a more just society through civil disobedience may promote order rather than undermine it. That's all for today's podcast, 60 Second Civics, where civic engagement only takes a minute.